Hello guys, welcome to our channel Island Techs and Codes, Island TC. Usually I do make tech videos, but today I have something interesting to share with you. Many a times we come across fake products. So I came across some fake products. I thought I should share with you. So keep on watching this video, and today we will see a product which is really fake, really fake. Guys, I have Xiaomi's power bank. Okay, Xiaomi.com. It is a power bank of mAh, and the power is 10,400. Okay, that means 10,400 mAh. Quite good, 10,400. Okay, so now this is mAh, and let's start and see. Okay, it's working. I charged it latest this morning itself. I charged my mAh phone. I use mAh's Note 4. Okay, mAh Note 4. I use Xiaomi's Note 4 mobile. Very good handset. Very good phone. Good brand and good phone. But let's see what about this power bank. 10,400 mAh. It's working. And let's start now. Okay, we'll open this power bank and see what's inside. This is the outer case. Shit out. It's not coming. Okay, from back side. Okay, it has come out, and this is what we have inside. This is the original product, or say inside product, what we have inside material. This is how it works. God knows what's the black thing inside. Like, it is like tar, I think.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Okay, now let's open and see what's inside. What is this thing? It look like tar. Get this one, second, and the third. Okay, this is it. No connection from back and front. It is completely waste. That means it is nothing to do with the power bank. It has nothing to do with the power bank. It is not a battery, not a cell. It is I don't know what is it. It's hard. This is only one thing that charges our phone, that only for 20-30 minutes, then it drains out. So I was thinking, why this 10,000 mAh battery can't even charge my phone for at least 30 to 40%. So I just opened it, and this is what I saw. This is completely fake, very cheap. Completely cheap thing this is. It's total waste of money, really. It's total waste of money. Okay, so friends, do not fall in this such case. Do not fall in this case of fake product. Buy original product. Buy from well-known shops or where you trust. Do not buy from the roadsiders or the pedestrians. Only buy from the reputed shops where you think or it is trustworthy. Okay, so guys, this is mAh Xiaomi's 10,400 mAh battery, which bluffed me in the sense. Okay, so guys, meet you in the next video, and soon we are starting with our Java tutorials. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and give like to us, and share this video as much as possible. And see you in next video. Until then, take care and goodbye. So friends, for more videos like this, and especially upon the videos of code related and latest tech, subscribe our channel right now, below at the right hand corner.